Jacob. Yeah. Are you gonna try anything right now or no? Thinking about it? Whoa. What are you gonna try? So here we are. We just came from Lowe's, right? And we got some stuff.
Right.
So we didn't know which light fixture Mommy would want. So what we did is we went ahead and we got a lot of light fixtures. Was that a good idea to get a lot of light fixtures because we didn't know which one she'd want for your bedroom?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, I think we had fun. And we're going to go home to the other people. And then we get to go to another place to get a part still. To put in the flooring.
Go home to what other people?
Your brothers and sisters. And Mommy. You like that idea to go to Mommy?
Can I get out of the car?
When we go home, you can get out of the car.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do that then. So here we are at the gas station, and Hadassah said she wanted a pop, right, Hadassah? Yeah. And which type of pop did you want? Did you want blue? Did you want green? Black? What color?
Blue and red.
We're just gonna do red, okay? Oh. I already got a cup for you, right here. There you go. Pull down on it. Whoa, is that neat? Oh, stop. Let me help you for a minute, okay? That's good. Now, we're gonna get a lid for it, okay? And I'm gonna get a normal lid, okay? Okay, so we're gonna see if we can find some stuff you like, okay? This is not why we really came here, but I figured might as well find it for you. Tell me if there's anything you see that you like, okay? Are you being adventurous? Have you seen anything that you like yet? Are you just going for the ride? I think you are. Okay, we'll go to why we came here. Okay? We're gonna go inside the building now. Here we go. Was he able to help us find it very quickly? So this right here, that's what we came here for. So, one side of it you put on the floor, this side right here, and then the other side you're going to whack with the hammer, and it pulls it that way. Is that neat, Hadassah? How that works? Yeah, you want to hold this? It's heavy. Are you going to hold it or drop it? You're going to hold it? Okay. There we go. Okay, we'll go on now, okay? Are you an adventurous little girl? Yep, you are. No, you're not. Do you ever do anything that's risky or no? No, never anything risky? You always try to play it safe? Yeah, I didn't think you always tried to play it safe. Huh. You having fun with your daddy today? Yeah, I'm glad I get to be with you. You're such a sweet girl. Hey, I want to thank you guys, as always. Thanks for watching. It really does help. And just actually went to the rental apartment. One of the guys is moving out. He gave me a call 30 minutes ago. It's 8:12 p.m. He said, hey, I'm moving out. So I was like, you know what? Let's just get this done with. So went there right away. Gave him back his security deposit because he's been there 3 years. He's been a really good renter. It's kind of cool. I got to meet his dad again, David, of David's Heating and Air, Troy, Ohio. Really reputable company, great family. So, yeah, the night's wrapping up. Thank you guys for watching. We got some great videos. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I may get some clips of while at church. And Tara is going to say bye this time.
Goodbye. Oh, you bopped it. I see you in the microwave.